Hello. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, today on The Big Chew, we got something from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. This is Maruchan with their Curry Nanban Soba. And that's what we're going to do today. I hope you're ready. So here is our pot with the allotted amount of liquid. This one will go in. Yes, yes, yes. I enjoy kitchen scissors. You can take that to the bank. And we have our loose bits that were from the little bowl. They like to call them noodle cups, and it's not really a cup, but they just call it like a large cup. But whatevs, I'm okay with that. I'm going to add that in at the end, and this goes for 3 minutes. And there we go. And we need a fork. That's a fork. Actually, I could go kind of, what's the guy's name? Crocodile Dundee. You call that a fork? That's a fork. It is. It's a fork. It's big. It's a big fork. This is a dinner fork. This is the fork of the god. No, no, no. You can't handle the fork. You're not old enough yet. That's a big fork. I almost wish we just had forks this big just so we could eat silly. Wouldn't that be crazy if everybody had forks like this? Wouldn't that be silly? Look, Miles, it's a silly large fork. Isn't that ridiculous? Whoa, don't get behind me. Hot stuff in the kitchen. Out. But see? Isn't that cool? Yeah. Okay, that's enough silverware drawer. I will impart to you the majesty of different pieces of silverware, maybe more tomorrow. Yeah. I did start the timer. Yeah, okay. So, I've been really enjoying those January 6th committee hearings. I don't know that anything's going to happen, though. They're going to find out all this information and go like, okay, well, we don't want to go after that because it's an election year. No, Just watch. Yeah. It's so silly. It's so silly. But what do you do? I hope it. They got the White House counsel coming in now for a recorded interview. He didn't want to be on the big show, but yeah, what's his name? Pat Cipollone? Yeah, that should be interesting. We just had, what's her name? Cassidy Hutchinson a couple weeks ago, and that was just like, it's like, I knew he was funny throwing ketchup at the wall. What a naughty God. But we'll see what happens. And I was listening to recorded voicemails on one of the committee members who's actually a Republican, on his voicemail from people like saying absolutely horrible things about the guy. And it's just like, come on. Wow. You know? Filthy. Un-American. But what do you do? You behave, that's what you do. They don't want to do that, though. It's just not their thing, I guess. I don't know why. It's not if you can't beat them, join them. It's if you can't beat them, try beating them. I political talk over now. I'm dealing with noodles and seasoning. But yeah, me and my buddy Matt, we follow this stuff, and it's just like crazy. One thing I've always been fascinated by locally is graffiti, because it's more urban than I've lived before. It's just north of Seattle. There's a lot of different people that come through here. And usually on the trail I walk on, there's all sorts of graffiti, and you see different names pop up and all this stuff. And then it gets erased. The city department comes by, or rather the county Parks and Rec comes through, and they paint roll over it. Which some of them are really neat. And it's just like, oh, but it's like a blank canvas for new people to do stuff. Well, some people came through town like July 3rd, July 2nd. And they put the number 18 all over the place. I guess there's an 18th Street gang. But I don't know, a lot of the time I wonder, it's like, I remember people in high school that were like really into saying like, oh yeah, I'm one of these guys, yeah. It's like, no, you're not. You're sitting in your mom's basement playing Nintendo saying, Mom, can I please have some more Totino's pizza rolls? It's like, that's what it was like in Anacortes when I was growing up. I don't think there was like a lot of gangy kind of stuff. There were people later on that I found out that were kind of into that kind of thing. But that was years after I was in school, like a decade. So this looks really salty. It smells really salty. I don't want to eat it. I don't. I really am not like looking forward to this. I really love curry, but so many Japanese curry varieties, and I don't like buckwheat soba. Let's give it a try. Yeah, spongy noodle. They mentioned that the broth is just spicy enough to tingle your tongue. Define tingle for me again. What do we got here? Oh, we got some tiny pieces of kamaboko. Give it one more try. It just doesn't do it to me. I want it to do something to me, and it's not floating my boat. It's not making me smile. It's not making me feel groovy or nothing. I'm gonna throw this beef in there. Maybe it'll enjoy being in there. I just sauteed some Angus beef for stir fry with a little bit of Maggi seasoning. Thought that might be an interesting thing. It worked with the last one I did, but we'll pour that in there. Oh, you can't see anything. You're blinder than I am. Here. Yes, that's why the glasses. I can't see very well. I get that every once in a while. People ask me, what's with the sunglasses indoors? You trying to be cool or something, jerk? No, I'm not. I'm light sensitive. I can't see very well. It hurts my eyes. So now you know. Spring onion. Let's get a little buck wild with the spring onion. There we go. And I'll use a little bit of this mung bean sprout. This bag is like gonna go right into the trash after I use this. I got some new ones. That's the last day of that. And we've got some sesame seed. Yeah. And man, it is just so freaking hot out here. want to say the kitchen is like 80, 85 degrees out here. Plus I'm sampling really salty food. The phone is cooking. Wow. Oh, let's rock and roll more. That's... All right, well, that's it from me to you today, and there'll be more. I'm gonna get 3 more ready to do tomorrow. Wish me luck. It's hot in here. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.